Kawaguchiko, and we woke up to heavy rain. It's been raining throughout the night, and as you can see, the mountain is completely blocked by clouds today, so no Mount Fuji view from the room today. We are gonna head down for some breakfast. This is breakfast. We're having it downstairs today by the lobby, and this is the view. We are at Oishi Park, and this is where the grass turns red, but it's raining. It's raining quite heavily as well, and there's a crowd here. So yep, obviously it seems to be the popular spot right here, and it's really misty and cloudy, so we can't see Mount Fuji today. So we're just taking a walk around Oishi Park, and the trees here have actually started to change. So if you walk further down Oishi Park, you can actually see a lot more of the red bushes. I think I'm a bit early, so they haven't really changed color yet. Yep. We're still at Lake Kawaguchi, and if you notice, that is actually the bridge we walked across yesterday, and we're actually at another different side of the lake. No, this is not because this is our lake Kawaguchi. We are having lunch back at the same place where we had dinner on the first day, and I'm having katsudon. So this is where we had our lunch just now, and it's actually really good and affordable. The food is nice and the price is reasonable as well. It's actually right next to the Kawaguchi station. So the station is right there, and you just have to cross the parking lot to get to the restaurant. But the weird thing is that they close really early, so it's about 2 right now and they are closed. We actually came around 1, and then at night they close at 7, so you have to come and eat early if you want to. I think they open maybe like 12 to 2, 5 to 7. No, it rained heavily last night. Wow, look, it's full of snow today. After 1 day of rain. All of a sudden today, after the clouds lifted, Mount Fuji has snow. Pork belly with egg. And mine is a grilled beef set. See how to open the rice. Okay. Struggling. Okay. Rice opening not going well. Never mind. We almost missed this place, Shinpachi Shokudo. So we just checked in into Toyoko Hotel at Asakusa Kuramae, and it's quite a huge room. And you've got queen size bed, a good size, and we also have the sky tree view right there. And on this side you have a vanity mirror. And the bed is there. And then this is the door, and you have more space. And then you have the toilet, which is the standard Japanese toilet in Tokyo. And that's it for the room. So for Tokyo, this is already considered a very good sized room with lots of space. Okay, so some tips if you guys are doing 3 days 2 nights in Kawaguchi area. Number 1, it becomes really dark at 5 p.m. The sun actually starts to set at 5, and by 5:30 the place is completely dark. So you can't actually see anything by 5:30. And originally I was supposed to take the bus back to Tokyo at 6 something, but I managed to change my bus timing to 3 something, so I got back to Tokyo around 6 something in the evening. And when I was actually in the Kawaguchi area, I had purchased the Mount Fuji Shizouka mini pass, but the pass was really difficult to use. The lady at the information counter at the tourist center did not know what the pass was about, and I had to do my own research. And also some of the bus drivers were not familiar with the pass. So if you are only touring around the Mount Fuji area, I will not recommend getting the pass. I did read, however, online that the people who were touring around the Shizuoka area and who took the trains around Shizuoka had no problem with the pass. So maybe it's just a Mount Fuji thing. So that's it for today. I've checked into the hotel at Toyoko Inn, and tomorrow I'm gonna go to Disney Sea. So I'll see you guys then. Good night!